everybody, it's Chris and Charlie behind the camera with Daily Motor, and today we've got another portable Level 2 EV charger review for you. This is made by the same company as the last video that we made, Mustart, but this one's a little bit different. We'll show you that once we open it up. You want to just go ahead and take it right out of the box?
Dig right into it, cool. Featuring the Volkswagen ID4
That's time. Right, yeah, and we are in our warehouse today.
Yeah, good old DMHQ, keeping us warm and dry.
Yeah. No longer at scenic Emily's house.
No. Shame. Can't dox her.
Yeah. We almost doxed you, but you're welcome. I peeled your shipping label off.
Oh, thank you. So
yeah,
courteous.
Yep. All right, let's see what we got here.
This is exactly how you'd receive it from Amazon.
That's right. Yeah, it's about 320 bucks, you said?
Yeah.
Okay.
So pretty standard fare for a Level 2 charger.
Okay.
This one, if Chris remembers his specs.
So this is 240 volt, 40 amp, 9.6 kilowatt hour charging speed, and the cable is 25 feet. And some sort of a, Charlie, you want to talk about the plug?
Yes, this is your standard, what you might think of as a dryer plug, a NEMA 1450, very similar to the last one we did, but this one, if we open it up, should be blue.
That's right.
Because, you know, sometimes life's more about tech specs and you want some style to your charger.
Yes, exactly, especially if you're traveling with this and you want to flex your blue charger.
Right. Yeah, you don't want to just look like one of those plebs with standard black charger.
Yeah.
At home, I have the Avalanche edition of the... Ooh, what is that?
It's a little bag.
For...
Drawstring bag. Yep.
The whole charger's going to fit in there? It's like one of those little magic bags that you can like
now,
put infinite things in?
You appreciate things like this.
Yeah,
you
owner
love
manual.
user manual.
Yep.
Oh, okay, here we go. Okay, let's pull it out. Before we get to the actual charger, we do have some mounting hardware in the bottom of the box.
Okay.
If you want to mount a little stand for when you are home for the charger's primary location, this is going to be helpful to make that easy to stand it up and not think about it anymore.
Yeah. Let's see if the portable charger case here that comes with fits in the underfloor storage compartment of the ID4.
Oh yeah, let's do that.
Because you might have a charger at home, but then maybe if you go on road trips or vacations, you might want to keep one. So not quite there. What about the double underfloor storage compartment? And there's already some things in there, but
tight. Oh yeah, but hold on. What is this?
Probably the charger for the actual car. The level 1 charger. Gotta level up, level 2.
Bad mark for Volkswagen there.
Okay, all right. Well,
This
Mustart and
Mustart's
Volkswagen, you might be able to squish it into a certain spot, but not quite in the carrying case. Okay, good to know. Good consumer advice.
Let's go ahead and unzip this, check it out. Ooh, it's like a metallic blue. Ooh.
Now, Chris is a blue enthusiast, as you can tell from his wardrobe, and
right.
I am as well.
I am wearing lots of blue today.
We do typically, and if I undo my
Unfortunately, the car
orange.
isn't blue, though. Oh, and my phone's blue, too.
Ah, yes. Yeah, our last ID4 actually would have been even better for this.
That's right, it was blue with white.
Yep.
Wasn't the roof white? What color's the roof on this car? Oh, just body color.
Glass.
Okay.
Glass color.
Glass colored. Okay, so got some
Ooh, yeah.
bubble wrap here, wrapping up our components that we don't want to have scratched during shipping. But otherwise, pretty standard look here for a portable level 2 charger. When you take it out of the box, you just got to take off, like I said, a couple pieces of bubble wrap, and then we've got some shrink wrap here holding that cable together so they can make it nice and compact for shipping. We've got a little plug cover on here too, but it looks like it should be pretty easy. I'm just going to cut this.
What I'll be curious with is if you'll be able to easily get the cable back in the carrying case, because sometimes they're very tightly wrapped, but shout out to the Supreme knife.
Last time I did it just fine. So.
Good.
All good.
Yeah, you were pretty satisfied with the Mustart charger last time when we had the G80, sorry, the electrified G80.
Yeah, come on, man, you got to get that.
Yeah, wouldn't have needed a level 2 charger for a gasoline G80.
And if you're going to yell at me for using a knife near an EV charger, go get off our channel.
Yeah. Somebody accused you of spreading a lot of misinformation on the video earlier this week.
What video?
The 3 Series E, 330E, is actually made in Mexico, so it is eligible for the tax credit.
Cars made in Mexico are eligible for the tax credit?
Just North America in general.
Really?
Yep. But I told the commenter
I thought those were made in South Africa.
I told him it's not misinformation if it's just a mistake. Misinformation is like you deliberately knew that the 3 Series was made somewhere else and lied about it.
Yeah.
A mistake is just the M3 is made in Germany, so you figured the other 3 series were also made in Germany, which is a very understandable mistake.
Well, my mom's car, the previous generation, my mom's old car, was made in South Africa.
Okay, so it's understandable for you to not
Yeah,
think that.
I didn't know
it was
they
made
made those in Mexico. Interesting. Everybody's just making cars in Mexico. Isn't this built in Mexico?
It's a good chance we wouldn't know.
We wouldn't know
Monroney.
'cause there's no Monroney.
We don't even know what spec it is.
Oh, I just feel like spreading more misinformation. So the ID4 is indeed built in Mexico. There you go. All right, so here's how it comes once you get all of the wrapping off. Not too heavy, easy to hold with one hand. I don't go to the gym, so this is a test that anyone could just kind of lift this up, carry it around, move it to where you need to move it.
And the 25-foot charge cable is going to be nice because the ID4 has charge port way back here, where you might see a gasoline port in a standard German vehicle, but our charger connection to the wall is way up here.
That's right.
This is going to be a testament.
Come up here and we can.
First time plug.
Yeah, so this is our dryer plug, just like Charlie.
Yeah, and it's a double dryer plug because I'm the one who installed it.
Dryer installed the dryer
plug.
Now if I can get off our piece of plastic that's covering the plug. Okay.
All right, we got a green light. That's usually a good thing. Now, if I remember correctly, this one has a screen. Yes.
Yeah, this is what we like the most about the Mustart brand of things is that they have a screen. Oh, can I peel that off?
I think you could. Would you like me to do it since you're holding it?
Yeah. I don't know that that peels off, actually. I think it's just like a little dusty.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll just leave that alone.
I like having the screen because then I know it's affirmation that I installed this properly. If I didn't, it would have a fault line.
And also you can look at numbers which you like, and then if you were Charlie, you could take all of these numbers and compare all of your charge cycles and make an Excel sheet.
Yes. Love that.
Yeah. All right, so this comes with a little bit of a Velcro strap. All right. So take this back here. As you can see, we're having some lifts installed right now, so we're having to kind of
look at that length.
them. Great length.
And because this is a portable charger, it's not super heavy or anything. It's not like our Grizzly charger that isn't portable and is very heavy and cumbersome and slaps around and scratches wheels when it's rested on them. This shouldn't scratch any wheels.
I don't think it would because it's plastic.
Yes.
All right. Pretty standard fare rubber cover here on our charge port.
Because it is IP67 water resistant, so you can have it out in the rain.
That's right. You can see, open up the door on the ID4 and we already have access to our level 2 port. I like when manufacturers don't put a cover on the level 2 port. That is quite nice. Okay,
Unprotected ports are more fun.
Plug this in. Thank you.
I hear clicks.
I hear clicks.
I see flashing.
Check the dashboard. Yeah. And we are charging.
Good. Now, we're probably not going to get the maximum charge rate right now because the car is already at 98%.
But 9.6 kilowatts, is that the maximum you said?
That's the maximum, yep.
Okay. Yeah, check the thing.
What we got? We're running at 211 volts and 38 amps, so a little bit low, but not unexpected. 8.2 kilowatts, so it is still running pretty strong.
That's
We've
pretty good, yeah.
already put in 0.1 kilowatts into the car.
Okay.
Cooking along quite nicely, Mustart. Yeah.
All right. Now we should try and get it back into the bag.
Yeah, that's a good call.
Yeah. But first we have to tell the car that we're done charging it. Some cars you can just unplug, but other ones don't let you do. Oh, okay. Volkswagen lets you just unplug it.
Sometimes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you had a bit of a moment, didn't you?
This car is annoying.
Yeah, good thing this isn't a Volkswagen video.
Yeah.
This is
It's a Mustart.
EV charger video.
Right, and the Mustart charger is not annoying. It actually has worked quite well.
Yes.
Chris is going to try to coil it up without getting his hands dirty. He's not an enthusiast to that.
I'm not an enthusiast of getting my hands dirty. That's why I wear gloves. Practice safe hands.
Yep.
Try not to shock myself on the dryer plug. All right. That looks about how it did.
Yeah.
Maybe a little
coiled it
different.
up nicely.
Thank you.
And you have that little Velcro bit, right, that you can use
do.
It is a bit disappointing maybe that the Velcro doesn't stay on the cable. Like it's
Yeah.
not looped around.
Yeah, someone's going to take this off once and that's it.
Yeah.
Never see it again.
Sure. Is it even a Velcro?
No, we're just not dealing with it anymore.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, it is now Velcroed together just perfectly. So good that you can't even tell.
I can't even tell that I Velcroed it back.
Yep.
All right. Biggest concern for me is going to be these parts. Actually, just this part. But we will try. Oh, check that out. You've got a
Little
help
message.
message inside the
That's
package.
good. So if you're having issues with your charger, hit them up. Slide into their phone. Voicemails. Slide into their VMs. Is that what kids say?
Charlie's being a millennial over there. Okay, let's get this stuffed back in. Never goes in the same as it does when it comes out,
No.
you know. But I guarantee you I'm going to be able to zip this. Guarantee it. All right, there we go. Nice and zipped back up there into the carrying case.
Yeah, which will definitely fit
Leave it
underneath
right
the
there.
floor of the ID4.
That's right.
Cool.
Okay. Yeah, so overall, I mean, we've really enjoyed having these portable level 2s. I, in particular, have enjoyed because I'm always bouncing back and forth between places I'm sleeping and editing and whatever else. So it's nice to have these level 2 chargers around because just plugging into the wall, doing level 1, you gain like 10 miles of range overnight, whereas you can actually usually get a full charge with these level 2s. So honestly, if you're someone that is moving around and, I mean, or even just want this at your house and wanted kind of a cheaper option than a more expensive Grizzly charger, this would be, I mean, I'd totally recommend it. So, and
Cool.
it's blue.
It is.
And it's blue.
Yes.
Charlie, any,
No, you've summed it up well.
okay, well,
We're Paris and Nicole.
we're Paris and Nicole. We're Chris and Charlie here with Daily Motor. And as always, level 2 on.